Hey everybody, Gina DeLuca here. I have some paints left over from my last pour, the liquid fire attempt. And normally I wouldn't do this, but I used the Liquitex pouring medium and that's the good stuff, so I don't want to waste any. There's a lot of paint left in this cup, and I have some paints left in my little mixing cups. So I'm just gonna play around and have some fun. Colors. We have Cadmium Red DPU, Cadmium Yellow DPU, Artist Loft Copper, the basics Napthol Crimson, which has a bit of the titanium white and the yellow mixed into it. That was a bad choice on my part. Came out a little more salmon than I would like. And I have Artist Loft Black for the background. So let's put some paint in this cup. Actually, I'm gonna lay down my background first. This time, I think last time in the last painting, it sat as I was putting on the base coat, which gave the white too much time to sink. So I'm gonna try to avoid that. Okay, let's put some paint in this cup. So, I'll try to show you. I'm putting some in the back and some in the front. I can't, it's hard to show you without tilting it too much.
The copper is sinking. A little bit of white left.
There we go. And you can see what I was doing there. Let's have some fun. Okay. I don't know what is happening right there, but I don't like it. I'm not trying to change the shape of this too much. I just want a little bit of that going over the edge. This has a very 3D effect. I dig it. All right, I think that's it. I'm gonna leave it alone. I will wash up and bring you in for a close-up. Okay, here it is. Very 3D effect going on. Reminds me of that movie, The Abyss. I may have to try this in like watery colors. It's not quite still what I'm going for. I'll get there. I'm gonna just have to keep thinking on it. That's what you do. You just keep trying. So, I hope you enjoyed. Please like and share and subscribe and all that good stuff. Check out the description box below for links to my PayPal tip jar, if you feel so inclined. My Amazon store, if you enter through that link, anything that you purchase off the entire site of Amazon, I receive a small commission of at no extra cost to you. What else? I'm not thinking straight today. Also, my website, check that out. There are paintings and music for sale. Our Facebook group, Go Make Some Art. Post your masterpieces and ask any questions that you might have. Get them answered immediately if you're in a crisis. Okay, you guys, that's it for me. I hope y'all have a beautiful day. Now go make some art.